Hi.
It's me,
Hey, it's me.
Nikki and Corbin. That's us.
And my other cousin, Ate Mia.
Mia.
Nagbibideo ako, Ate Mia. Driving in my car. Right up. Mag-hi ka. Hello. She's feeding us. Oh, sorry. I mean, excuse me. Is this your...
Emily.
Ow. Where's your mom?
Up there.
Where's the daughter?
In here. In here.
Bring me a kid. Give me a kid? What?
Bring me a kid.
Ate Carlin, where's your house? Oh.
Bro,
Ate Carlin, where's your house?
House. I found it. It's always here.
Oh. There's your house. Uy, ang dami ko naman katabi. How I can go? Right here. Open.
You know that.
Right here.
You know that's not my house. I forgot. That's in the house.
Oh. Oh, here it is. Hello, guys. Where's the mom? Where's the
mine?
driving in my car?
My neck hurts.
I think I have pasok. Do you have pasok?
Yes.
Me too. Later. Me tomorrow. I cannot sleep.
Water naman. Ano ba gusto mo po? Kaya ka naman magdala yung katawan niya. Dati gusto pa ko. Kasi ito na ho. Ito na yung tubig ko.
Hi,
Wait lang. Duolingo.
that's not Duolingo. Oh, here. There's Duolingo. I see Duolingo. I'm gonna do it. Ow! Alright. How do you say ouch in Philippines? How do you say ouch in Philippines first?
Aray.
How do you say
What?
correct in Philippines?
Tama.
How do you say ouch in Tagalog? I mean how you say tap water in Philippines?
So big.
Hey, more. You have space there. Can Ate Mia go in the? Can Ate Mia go to the middle?
There. No.
Middle sea.
Right there.
Ito dito. Wait, I'm gonna move it with this. It always falls.
Nung ano, mas matanda si Kuya, pero dalawang taon yan.
Ate Mia, tingnan mo humilik. Why do you laugh like that? Ow!
Mew.
And the mom became a. Hey, what are you doing to your sister? Wait.
Away ganyan ka
You're the sister.
What the?
Why do you laugh? What are you doing right now? Really? Happy birthday. What are you doing right now? Right now! Why are you angry to your sister? How do you hold this? How do you hold this thing? Oh, wait.
Ayoko.
Ayaw mo na, bago na isip ko.
Nangisisigaw lang yun.
Okay, I'm gonna go away. Why they are all blonde? Bro, what? Wait. What thing? Capibari ko kumain. Si Banini Bananini Totoni Ow!
Ito naman, hindi na
Panty.
laro. Hindi,
But we
sabi niya, buhay ka na.
Sorry. Oh my God. I should move out.
the mom.
I should move
I'm the
out.
baby.
I'm the mom.
Ito daw.
Okay.
I should move out.
What?
I should move out.
No, she's not gonna
Girl,
move.
oh hell no.
Ow! Aray! Ate Mia! Ate Mia, masakit! Ate Mia! Mami, si Ate Mia.
Ayan.
Ang sakit.
Ang makaupo lang ako dito.
Nakasandal ka.
Nagsisiksikan kayo dyan.
Kayo ng kaunti.
Kaya mo sa naman. Labing dalawa.
Yeah.
Ate Mia, ayun kasi.
Itong haliga.
I should move out.
Si tatay magpapahirap din.
Aray!
First na siya.
I'm the baby. Okay, mom. I'm the girl.
Okay. Moving out. Open the door.
Or kung hindi man.
I'm back.
Wait.
How do you call how Tagalog in what is Tagalog on auntie?
Eh, di ba nagbagali sa nila?
Tinuturuan ko. Aray! Wait,
Lang siya, pero nagsasalita.
what?
Ano siya dyan? Malayo na yun. Nagsasalita siya. Malayo na yun.
Okay, I'm here. I don't want that buggly ugly family.
Right, you're controlling the sister. I'm controlling the mom. And Ate Mia is gonna control the baby. Wala pa tayo. Wala pa eh. It's 7.
I already know.
Ready?
Yung sabay si Lolo, diba? Sabay si Lolo.
Help! What the? What the Sigma? What is that? What the? What did you feel like every time I
Don't care.
What did you feel like every time I let you in? We could fix it if we never face it. We could find a way to escape it. We could be wait. Just kidding. We never face it. We could find a way to escape it. We could be free. I could not sleep last night.
Why?
I don't know.
I'm the baby. And nasa kita ang baby.
Ito, itot. Itot. Oh, itot.
Oh, I have no space na.
Birthday ko noon.
What? Oh.
Wait lang.
Ito na yung baby. Ito na.
Pa yun yung panahon
Wait
na
lang.
sa labas kami ng birthday.
Uwe! Uwe, magagalaw.
Hindi. Hindi ka pa. Hindi, wait lang. Hintayin mo muna kasi.
Nasa tent pa kayo ng birthday.
Ito kasi.
Diba? Pila pa kayo. Darling, give me yan. Okay na.
Ay, abang ganda dyan. Yes,
Pinakalis. Si nanay, diba? Pero kasi, malakas. Yun na yun.
Tapos daw narinig mo na, uwe!
Hindi. Ito. What is wrong? What is wrong?
Nalaglag daw ako.
Sa bahay
Sabihin mo, we.
What? Every time I let you,
Sabihin mo, we. Naririnig ko si Ate Carlin eh.
what is it?
Oh, the secret.
para seryoso.
What do we find when we say, Mickey, ikaw naman.
It could be. Wait.
Nasa gym pati. Diyan sa uy natin diyan sa bahay.
Tibia! Sana ko! Sana ano pala?
Sabi sila ng driver.
Pero kapibari ko po. Pero tipang-tiliman ang Tra-la-la, orca-lero, orca-la. Factory for
Yung malapit sa pito.
Pando elefanto.
Hey, yo!
Siyan.
Dapat yung yan din yung ganun. Tingnan mo, wala. Hindi ka natakot na paglingon mo, nakaano sa mukha mo. Kaya mo. Sabi pa naman ni nanay, pababain mo na sila,
Ano di ba sabi mo nga? Tita, pahiram mo cellphone.
Mga baby na sa picture.
Mag-heyday ako eh.
Yung mga baby na may ano pa?
Nepo baby.
Yung nagtatakbo.
Heyday.
Nepo baby.
Heyday?
Ang tulog. May nakita din ka? Oo, may nakita siya na. Dito sa pinaka... Oo nga kasalanan niya. Sino ba yun? Ano ba yung binabasa mo? Wala akong clue.
Driving in my car while I floating.
Tita, tapos na yun?
Parang narinig ko yung nag-sound eh, tapos biglang nawala. Baka natutuyo na siya. Kasi biglang may... Kung puno ka sa ako, natutulog.
Ganun daw talaga pag basis. Babango daw kasi ang
May baby powder.
Madaling araw, biglang sasabihin ni Dog.
Ah.
Mas na dyan.
Okay na. Guys, okay na.
Kain,
okay na.
Kumuha siya ng asin. Ginanon na yung pati. May mga bawang yung bintana ko dun sa taas.
Nagulog talaga ako ng papa. Kasi ayaw niya ako makisama. Kasi nakakapagod ang bata. Kasi yung bata daw, mabango ng amoy. Pagkakalabas.
May bawang naman. Ba't si Elora hindi?
Oo, pinwento ni Lolo.
Ano eh?
Huwag na kaya magkwento, naririnig namin. Natatakot kami.
Anong
Limit ang Roblox ka na lang. Hawag hindi. Roblox one.
Okay. Tita Roblox.
Roblox hindi na yan ah.
Guys,
Okay guys, bye.